Hey guys, so I just finished packing lunch and I thought I'll show you guys. So I made a salad, as you can see. So the salad has cabbage, carrots, green beans, spring onions, yam chips, fried yam chips, and eggs. Then, well, just one egg. Then I made a dressing as well. So this has mayo, turmeric, ginger, garlic, thyme, vinegar, and seasoning of choice. Mine was wrong. So yeah, so that's breakfast. I'm thinking of hey, off the radio, I want to talk, and I'll get copyrighted for the sound. Like right now, I'll get copyrighted. Love you. Hi guys. It's raining. Why am I outside? You might ask. I'm going on, what do you call it? Scavenger hunt. We're looking for chips. Guys, rain beat the shit out of me. So yeah, I don't know if this is a new vlog, an old vlog, a returning vlog, chill. But today is Wednesday. I should bring my tripod. Holy fuckery. But how are you guys doing? I look crazy. You guys, you can see me, right? We love this life for us. And yeah, I let you guys know what we get up to. Kill these. Love you. You guys, we found what we're looking for. I wish we have sour. I feel like sour cream and onion. I want to get sour cream and onion. Have you tried this one before? If you don't like it, you have not tried it. Wait, if you don't like it, you have tried it. That's how you know you don't like it. So, we secure the goods. It was not a hunty hunt because we didn't really hunt. And the first place we went to, we found it. Wow. Basically because of your expert knowledge in supermarket shopping. But yeah, we have it. So we on our way back home. I didn't even tell you guys what I was making. Yo, we're basically making. Oh no, I'm making. What am I making? We're making chips and guacamole. I really wanted to try the recipe, and I found one. I said, Lego. So that's what we're making. I'm excited. It's my first time. It's your first time. I said no. I didn't say I am eating. I said I am making. It's for us, Sana. Show me. Alright, guys. Love you. Well, you guys, look at this masterpiece. Like, no way, this is real food. I'm currently not available for marriage because I'm better than everybody in the world. Period. Alright, guys, let me take pictures of this because y'all, and I'll try it for you guys on camera. Bye. Good morning, guys. I just wanted to show you guys my lunch for the day. So I have fried yams with eggs and cabbage. The eggs have tomatoes and carrots in them. And yeah, this is lunch for today. It's yummy, I know. Can you all see? Hey guys, welcome to today's Saturday. I'm about to go out. It should be in another vlog, but I wanted to show you guys something. So I bought some clothes. I want to say 2 vlogs ago at this point, I think, but I never showed you guys the clothes, right? So I just remembered and I was like, so this is the brand I got the clothes from. It's thrifted by Any. I'll leave it on the screen as well as like a link in the description for you guys. I just want to show you guys the pieces quickly before I go out. I got this skirt which I'll be wearing today. You guys, this skirt is so cute. I'll take a picture in it and I'll leave the picture on the screen for y'all to see. I won't be trying them on chair because not before that. But I also picked up this top. Like it is so cute, and it's from H&M. We love as cute brands. I have this dress, you guys. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this dress. It's a wrap dress. It's so pretty. But hopefully I get a picture in it today. Yeah, that's it. It's such a cute dress. It looks so fire on me. Then I picked up this one, Sana. I picked up this dress. I'm like, oh, this is a cute little dress, girl. This thing looks like a top. It won't even zip. I wish I had my sisters here with me so I could just give one person, but I'll just give it out, child. Because I cannot be bothered. And I picked up this red dress. Stop. What? It's literally the cutest thing you'll ever see. Like, like you guys, she sells such like trendy thrift clothes and they're all very good quality. Like they don't come stained or like torn or weird shit like that. So I recommend her. And plus delivery was quick and customer service was really good too. So then I got this skirt. This skirt on me, baby. You know what it now. But yeah, that's all I picked up. What am I saying? I'm wearing a top right now. I'll show you guys in a minute. Well, I'm getting ready to go out, so I'm in a rush. I'm late per usual. So let me just show you guys the top. What we doing? Okay, so mind your business. If you see my boobs, mind your business. Mind your business. Okay, so this is what the top looks like. It's such a cute, like, nice. It's from Google, I think. It has this cowl neck thing, which I'm obsessed with. Good job. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm going out, but that will be in another vlog. So, if you want to know where I'm going, chill. And subscribe and watch the next video. I think that's it for this video, Sana. I have a lot of footage for this week, so love and light. I'm sorry about the fan, girl. Cannot be bothered. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Running through my head, all the things